So it's March 2022 and you're looking for the biggest collection of secret Netflix codes. Now, if you didn't know, Netflix has a library of over 15,000 titles, but using these secret codes, you can access hidden categories, hidden genres, hidden compilations, and really just get the most from your subscription. Let's say, for example, I'm interested in spy action movies. Well, the code for that is just 10702. And when I type that in, we can see that then filters the content and shows me the spy type content only. Similarly, if I'm interested in westerns, I can type in 7700 and we can see straight away that then shows me all of the western type content. And you can use this process on any device where you're using Netflix, whether that's your Firestick or Nvidia Shield, and you can even do this on your computer. Now, what I've also done is I've compiled all of the codes onto my website, and I've even made them as clickable links. So as I'll demonstrate in just a second, you can now literally find anything that you're looking for, click on the link, that will then automatically open up Netflix for you and take you directly to this hidden category. Now, before we do that, let me just show you a couple more. Let's say you're interested in some anime, and the code for that is just 7424. And the thing is, when you see the list, they've really got categories for everything. So let's say I'm interested in crime documentaries. Well, the secret code for that is just 9875. And we can now see all of that content in here. It really is a great way for you to find some hidden content or hidden genres if you are looking for something different to watch. Now, to get to this list, if we just press the home key, we can now open up Downloader and make a quick connection to my website, which is just tdoctoruk.com, or you can type in the short code 53402 and this will take you directly to my site. And when you get to my site, if you head over to the hamburger menu, which is one with the 3 lines, let's click on that, click on tutorials. You'll see the huge list of Netflix secret codes. So this is what I've updated with the latest codes for March 2022. And as I mentioned before, I've now made them as clickable links. So let's click on that. We can now scroll down and you now have all of these codes, guys. So you can see there's just so many categories, so many genres, compilations, classic movies, comedies, cult movies, dramas, British dramas, period dramas, foreign movies, action movies, just so much stuff. So now for us to demonstrate the clickable links, let me just jump over to my computer. Let's say, for example, I'm interested in British comedies. Here we can see the code, but I can now click on that and we can now see we are in that hidden section. So here's some different or popular British comedies. We can see the stuff in here. Let's go back. Let's say I'm interested in children and family. Let's click on that. And again, we can see it takes us directly to that content and we can see all of the different movies and TV shows in that. Let's go back. Let's just try something completely out there, like stuff like this. So, you know, comedies starring Tom Hanks. So if I click on that, and we can now see comedies starring Tom Hanks, and we can go directly into that content. So having these genres or these codes taking you to these secret sections really does improve the experience and allow you to find other things that you may want to see. Just so many different things in here, all which you can access with one click. Let's say movies from the 80s. Let's click on that. And we're now into that content. And we can now see all of those popular movies from the 80s. So really easy to use, and especially now they're all clickable links. You can go to my website, go to this page, and access all of the content in Netflix. So that's all for this video, guys. Many thanks for watching. I will be updating this page with the latest codes as soon as they come out, so do keep an eye on it. Maybe mark the page as a favorite. Do leave me a comment below, let me know if you're going to use these secret codes, and I'll hopefully catch up with you guys real soon. Thanks.